Hello, good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures Trading stream. Today is Thursday, December 26th. You're 4 days from the end of the year. We have one last weekend tomorrow and the end of the year in 2 more days after that. 2 more trading days after that. I have expressed my views on Discord. This kind of volume is is very low for the weekend. This volume from the 24th is very low, right? It's one of the lowest of the years. If I pull a chart, the volume here, this is Friday. This is 24th. And just check out these days, right? These days were one of the lowest. And if you compare that day to these two, just check out where it is, right? Check out here. Yeah, it's kind of half of this. Yeah, it's absolutely one, if not the lowest of the year. Market failed to print an outside day here. It gave us an inside day, failing to take the previous day high here and the low exactly at the 50s here, which is not good really. And the breakout that happened from this inside day come in this day here, which are absolutely, look at how volume decreases here. Kind of like a typical way to that markets trade when market has a direction, and when there is a pullback, or in this case the rally, you may have this. But this has been an exceptional year. The highs are terrible. There's no excess at the highs. I just can't imagine how good, how fantastic it would be for traders if the year ends with a bang, right? Ends at the all-time highs. That would be something to comment. That would give you some lots of talks to the talking heads out there. What I'm watching here is this level here. Okay, this is absolutely weak level. This one here. This little area here, okay? Notice what we have here. I'm going to recall this. I'm going to highlight only this part. Only this part here that starts. This is the low G. And this is the gray, the three white low we have here. Now, it's basically we have five lows around this area. I have the 75. I won't consider these lows corrected unless it is made in regular trading hours. I have slight bias to the downside right now, but the market, is opening inside previous day range, kind of like around the center, also chopper high. The market has not challenged this low yet. It is back and forth. let's check how these 6075s are. I just want to check. No intentions to do anything here. This is knife. This is back and forth for knife. It has been knife since the opening. It's kind of like showing no interest here. It was same thing, same kind of trading from. This is unchanged. Look at where this high is. Now this low was did exactly the same, right? It was from Halbach from this overnight, right? Notice the node that I have here, right? Questionable low at overnight Halbach. Same thing. We're having overnight Halbach being used. Probably, I don't know. It can be the high of the day. But notice how there's no excess here. Let's settle here, 6100, and above this, every single high, even the all-time high has no excess here, no excess here, no excess here, questionable high up here. Every single one is very questionable here. This is showing no interest in trading in the direction of the overnight trade, at least so far. There's a big fight here. There's a big fight. We have this area, this high volume area here, that is holding. Very questionable though. Very questionable. Being long here is something I would not like to be. Regarding the short, this market is going high, so why you want to fight that? I am doing something here, and I am keeping this laggard buying from Tuesday. Here, this is the ES. This is Nasdaq, and this is the ES. I am keeping that as a reference, as a potential. Maybe if this one is corrected, remember what we have here. The low of this, I believe, is this. This is 6075. Let's check how much is 6075. Yeah, it's the low of this little range here. And Nasdaq has 981. That will be a correction of this laggard buying here. What the market is doing here, if I just add this, let me do something here, for example. I'm going to remove the overnight, right? Okay, I'm removing the overnight here from Nasdaq. Alright, and what this? I have only one day. Alright. But this market is very questionable, very dangerous here. Alright. Notice this systematic buying. What this market is doing today is just continuing. Yeah, it's adding. Just move this trend here. I'm going to duplicate this. Oh boy, what the heck I did. This is a continuation of this laggard buying here. Look, oh boy, look at this market, man. Let me just grab here. Perhaps the high here. This is non-excess high, and this is the oh boy, this is no good. This is the overnight. high. I'm going to remove the overnight here as well. Okay. Let me add a couple days. Let's put 3 days here. Okay. Let me add 3 days here as well. So I can see a little bit more here. Look at this. Buying here continues, and we are having something. Oh, this is this is taking this low. This could be potential destination if there is anything here to the downside. The 80, 90, maybe 900 then. Dow is an inside day, ES is an inside day, Russell is an inside day, Nasdaq is an inside day. Also rotation at high here. Daily low is super bad here. This is absolutely crazy. Absolutely weak here. You know what? Let me do something. I want to make this bigger here. This can be lower, this can be smaller. What the heck? No, I can put this one over here. This is option here. It would be nice if the market gives us a small rally here. Let's see if this market can close this distribution here. Alright. Remember also another thing that I observed here is I missed this last how this market get back inside this range here. You know, potential low 62 here. What do we have at 62? This little distribution here. This little one here. Alright. Now this has been corrected now. Still an inside day. Now all of this volume is being rebalanced now. They're getting out now. I want to see if there's an attempt to buy the dip here. Because this is an inside day. Alright. All of this laggard buying from Nasdaq now is out. Has been taken care of. Same goes for the ES. No? This is a good area for profits here. Taking profits. These are getting out. These are getting out. Anything serious here, we'll see, or we'll have volume coming. Relative to Tuesday or Wednesday or Tuesday, right? It's slightly higher volume, but still low overall. It's a no volume week. Okay, this is a good area for profit taking. No, because this is just mechanical trading here going on right now. I'm taking care of this one, of this area here. Back and forth from Halbach. I got to be streaming not for much time. I will move the stream to Discord. I'm used bad chats over there. Alright. How can I post? Invite people, copy, close, and that's going to do the chat for both, YouTube and Twitch. There you go. There you have it. The thing in these markets, man, we have to do our homework here. That will tell us if you have an idea. This is the thing, right? This is how I am taking risk. You have an idea. You have a thesis, something the market can do, but we can only speculate. And the cost of doing business, right, is the risk we take. Because I always have to risk something in order to prove my theory. Right? My theory in this case was taking this low, for example, right? How much I'm willing to risk with these options here? How much I'm willing to risk? I was risking 9 points here. I just got out. I got out too early because the way how this market was there, I didn't like. As soon as the market was sold from Halbach here, the market came back to my entry and gave me something here, but I closed. I felt like that was The market giving me an opportunity to close. I didn't like this thing. I would rather like this coming maybe a little bit higher, taking this one, or not selling from here and challenging and challenge this area kind of like a right away really fast, right? With the aim to taking these three lows here. It didn't happen, and I closed. These ones went all the way up to 17th, 17, and you know, I just missed that. But I have what I'm doing here. I am following my plan, right? I'm following my plan. Now this, notice the volume that we have here. 16, 17, 13, something like that. That is being replaced now. This one has been taken out and now it's being replaced with these ones. Every single rally was being bought the 24th. Let's see if every single dip was being bought. Now let's see. I suspect the opposite can happen today. Let's see. This high has been taken, this high has been taken. Okay, this is a small rally that we have here. But can you see the dynamics that's happening? What kind of the dynamic? This doesn't happen all the time. And this is what kills traders, right? Because we have this aha moment. I may think, oh my God, I have figured out the market. I know what to do, right? Next time I see this, I'm going to do that. But next time never comes. Because there are no 2 days that are the same. Really, literally, there's no 2 days that are traded the same. The participation is vastly different from one day to another. Now, the breakout that we have on Tuesday, I might say, let's sell this rally, right? Let's sell the rally. But the action is different, right? During this day, dips were bought, well, every single dot was being bought, but it was a breakout of this inside bar. Right now, we don't have breakout. We have an inside day so far. There's no breakout. Probably there's a balance forming here. This distribution has been closed. This one has not. And we have the 6100 right there. This is magic, right? Magic for traders, certain traders. And now look at, we talk about this low potentially being bought here. How much was 62, right? Look at how much was bought. Do you remember that? This low is very questionable here. $63.25. Right there's over right on the trend line, on the range. Right there. I am not telling this you after the fact, right? We talk about this early today. I don't like that low, man. Really don't. The high is also bad. That was the trade. This trade is over. Yeah? Now we have this long inventory that has been rebalanced, and this short inventory that is being worked on right now. This in progress now. Now the second buying that we had here seems like we're having is that what we're having here? This is Nasdaq, okay? Why I'm doing these things, right? I'm doing this. If I can see this, the easy the market is, to read, the higher the odds that the dominant force of that market is the shorter time frame traders. Shorter time frame trading. The shorter the time frame, the easier it is to find out what they are doing. Now the next thing that this market can be watching now is the 6100. Now there's no excess here and no excess here as well. And from let me add something more, a little bit more. What do I have here? The week. Let's add the month. That's too much, man. I guess I'm going. Alright. It has a lot. Let's remove some of this. Settings. It's just too much data here. Okay, I just need this one. I hate when this mirror happens. This is the current session here that is being duplicated here. But you have the idea, right? You have the idea of this. What do we have here? We have a range here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that 9 days? Really? What? Yeah. That's right. This is different, than the bar charts. The bar charts have reached the high of that range in the bar charts. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These ones here are actually way up here in the current contract. When we start having to have volume here, this day we can say maybe this day or maybe this day. This one here is a really high volume. It started to increase. The highest is this one just before the break, but we have 600,000 here. not much really. All this inventory is short. Inventory is extremely short here. And some rebalancing is happening now. You know? Now, the current action here, the current action is to the upside. The intraday action is to the upside. Prices are going lower, but the action is to the upside. This is a rally that's being solved. I took these highs out, sell. Took the trend line, sell. Remember, but the context is different relative to this day. Relative to this day. Okay, this was, even though it was in a holiday or in a hard day session, pre-holiday, still this is a breakout of this 2-day range, of this inside range. Right? This is a breakout. This is not a breakout. We are inside. The context is very, very different here. Now let's wait. What happens next? The market gave us an opportunity. I wasn't able to take full advantage of that. What is next? I have no idea. I just have to be here, watch and observe and wait. This low, we have an excess. This is misleading. Okay, this excess that we have here is misleading. It's good excess. Has taken. This is a trending. This is a trending. It was a trending day. Was it? Yeah, it is a trending day. So no value areas, no POCs or trending days. I was gonna say something here. Well, oh, no, we have this distribution that has, oh, this low is very questionable, okay? Very questionable. Now the actions to the upside. Potential destination or potential, everybody has seen, can see where the 6100 is. They are trying to replicate what they did on Tuesday. We have this really narrow lack of volume on the upper side. The market just keep going higher and higher and higher. So that is different. It looks like it's different. It's still one, I would say it's the second lowest day, volume wise. Just look at this. It is higher than yesterday, alright? I'll give you that. I'll give it higher than Tuesday, on the previous day. But let's check how high this is relative to the last 10 days here. Just check it out. Again, these are the lowest days. These two are the lowest days of the past days, just kind of like the lowest of the year as well. And just look at where it is. It looks like it's going to be one of the lowest. Let's check that. Here, let's use T-bulk here. Alright, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, these two. Oh boy, I was wrong. There's way lower days here. And these are holidays here. Yeah, but very low. What the heck? What the heck? Look at this. There's something wrong here. Because these 30 minutes is, can you see how high this is? 8 million. I projected like that over here. Yeah, about 8 million. We have 8 million, but I don't see it here. What? Oh, I know what. Ah, damn. I was. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. I was just waiting this thing to come maybe at the end of the month, end of the year, but it's already here. This happened during the run-off period, which is between 4 and 4:15. Come on, man. Really? You got me here. That was really bad. And look at what happened here. This is the end, last year's end. How low we are. We are kind of in this time after this big one. We have this one. Here, look at what we are here. Right? 1, 2, 3. Low is still kind of like around there. No, this one here is this here. And low, really low body. Something that I forgot to mention, that T-Box charts has changed, okay? That has changed. They used to record the run-off period, which is that 15 minutes period, 15 minutes period after market close. They don't do that anymore. They just close their charts at 4 p.m. Okay, that's why I didn't see that huge increase in volume. Okay, so I had to add that to my observations as well. I need to check the daily as a part of my homework too. It took this market 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 periods to have this volume. Only two. Now we have 15, 15, 14, 15. By the way, there is something missing here. Is this thing? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at this, man. This is low volume here. There's something going on here. This is really early in the session to have this kind of volumes here. These kind of big ones here. Here as well. But white is low volume. Oh. Apple Apple is hitting new records. You know. Warren Buffett has sold a lot of his shares, has been trimming his positions, his investment there, and retail is picking up that. Oh, look at this chart in Nasdaq. Huh? Isn't this funny? You have this trend, this range here, and has reached the opposite side of the range, and has been sold from that. Huh. Oh boy. Alright. I am moving the stream to Discord. Unless, as usual, unless you have any questions or comments, I will be calling it a day here. Alright? Have a wonderful rest of the day. You have the invite right there if you want to join. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe. See you next time. Bye bye.